Ho ho! Merry Christmas, people, especially to my members of Eternal Shinobi. This is the Firework event, so what you need is either Ember Prime or Ember. Okay, later I will show you which build to use. Be sure you guys get ready for the event during 28th of December, which is a Sunday. Okay, remember, I'm gonna provide you energy. Okay, I'm gonna provide you energy, so you are supposed to stay here. Once you are ready and set, I will start the timer, and then you will turn on your world on fire all the way. If your world on fire is stopped, you are not allowed to move until you cast again. Once you cast your world on fire again, you can start to move again. So achieve the fastest timing possible. So I'm going to show you the demo now. Okay.
Their capture is crucial.
Turn on your world on fire and you can start to rush.
Keep moving. None of the scanners have detected you. Target apprehended. Keep hunting.
Sorry, client called, so I have to pick up the phone. So I play a bit. So I was on the phone, so couldn't concentrate on playing. So sorry about that. Okay, basically you have to keep on turning on your wall on fire. Once it stop, you have to activate again. So yes, and rush, capture those two as fast as you can and end this mission. The winner will win something admirable. So who will be the winner for the firework event? We will find out on 28th of December 2014. Event will start around 7 to 8 PM plus 8 GMT, so I see you guys there. Sorry. As for the mods, I'm gonna show you this. Okay guys, as for the mods, follow this. If you don't have prime continuity, it's okay. Just add continuity instead. If you don't have max narrow-minded, it's okay also. Just add whatever level it is, as long as you follow this build. Your overextend must be max, followed by intensify, flow, stretch, streamline, constitution. All this mod, just follow this mod. I will do a screenshot of this and paste it in the clan website. Okay, so rock on guys, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed this event. So see you this 28th of December. Bye bye.